In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pre-bid on Whatnot 2026. Step by step. Pre-bidding lets you place a maximum bid on an item before a live auction starts, so the system can bid on your behalf when the show goes live. It's perfect if you can't watch in real time or you want to set a firm budget ahead of the action. First, open your browser and head to the Whatnot website. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in so your bids can be placed correctly and tied to your account. Once you're on the homepage, take a second to get oriented. You'll see shows, categories, and suggestions tailored to your interests. Next, find the seller you want to pre-bid with. You can browse featured shows, use the search bar to look up a specific shop, revisit a seller you recently searched, or open your following tab to check sellers you already follow. When you found the right one, click into that seller's page. Inside the seller's page, keep an eye on the left-hand side. That panel lists scheduled or upcoming items. Sometimes it takes a moment to load, especially if there's a lot of inventory. Give it a few seconds. If it seems slow, a quick refresh or switching to a stable connection can help. When the panel appears, scroll to find the item you want. You're specifically looking for items marked with the pre-bid label. Not every listing will have it, so make sure you see that tag before proceeding. When you found the right item, click Pre-bid to open the bidding window. Now set your bid amount. This is your maximum bid, the absolute highest price you're comfortable paying for that item. Whatnot will use proxy bidding during the live auction to compete automatically on your behalf, only increasing as needed up to the max you've set. Choose a number that reflects the item's value to you, factoring in condition and typical market prices. Before you confirm, review the additional charges shown, like shipping and taxes. This is where you get a realistic total. Double check the shipping destination and make sure your payment method is current, so there are no surprises at checkout. Once everything looks good, click Confirm and Bid. You'll see a confirmation that your pre-bid is in. That's it, your bid is now active. When the show goes live, the system will place bids for you up to your max, and you'll only be charged if you win. You can always come back to watch the auction or track your item from the seller's page. That's how to pre-bid on Whatnot. Navigate to the seller, wait for the item panel to load, pick an item with the pre-bid label, set your max, review shipping and taxes, and confirm. Happy bidding!